Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Chrome and a new tab. This gets you straight to the background options. Once there, click Customize in the bottom right of the new tab page, or go Settings Appearance to reach Theme and Wallpaper controls. Make sure your chosen image is accessible, downloads or desktop works. You need a JPG or PNG under about 5 MB for quick upload. Now, select Background to begin. This first action moves you from Setup into selecting or uploading an image. Once done with opening the background panel, pick either a built-in category or choose Upload an image to use your photo. When you upload, a file picker appears. Navigate to the folder and double-click the image to apply it. Chrome will preview the change instantly, so you can see how it looks. If the image appears cropped, use available fit options, Fill, Fit, or Center, to control scaling and framing. Make adjustments until the preview looks right, then confirm the selection to set it. After confirming the wallpaper, click Done or simply close the Customization panel and open a new tab to verify the change. If you want to revert, go back to Appearance and reset to the default theme or pick another image. If the upload fails or the image won't apply, clear Chrome's cache, disable any theme or new tab extensions, and try again. Sometimes an extension blocks custom backgrounds. If problems persist, sign out and back into Chrome to sync settings. Then reapply your wallpaper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.